Morning, one and all, and welcome to the virtual class. Today we will see a new topic in a grammar, that is the tense. Now, what is the tense? It's indicated the time of an action or an event. Okay. So, students, as we had discussed about the tense, so it indicates present, past, or the future. In simple tense, that is means a simple tense that mostly we have used in our day-to-day life, that where's and how the action is taken place. Okay, that is the past, present, or future. First, we will see about the simple present tense. Simple present tense indicates habits and general truths. Okay, general truths, that means that we are talking about such kinds of events, talking about such kinds of actions. All right. Sometimes, if you want to be right, the main verbs you have to be add as or es in a present tense. Okay, the main verb you have to be add as or es. For example, play. So plays. All right. So this way you have to be add s. Go or goes. For the simple present tense. This one of the example, okay, it's used to be following habits. He goes for a walk every day. So it is shows, indicates, and habits of a particular person that he goes for a walk every day. Next, regular action. Regular action, that cobbler mends shoes. Here also you can observe that mends shoes. Next is general truth or the facts of the event. Okay, trees gives trees gives oxygen. So here trees give oxygen. Okay, so give, that gives, it shows that this is the present tense. This all are the example of the simple present tense, the things which is going on, and it is talk indicate about the general habits, regular actions, or the general truth or the facts. Okay. Now here, one of the example, that Jimmy's place in the garden. So here you can see that place have a S. The Jimmy plays in the garden. So this is the present tense, simple present tense. Okay. It shows the simple present tense. Simple present tense, just keeping in mind that if you're talking about the regular action, if you're talking about the habit of that person, if you're talking about the general truth or the facts about the country, about your house, that is a simple present tense. For example, that Nita, for example, that Nita writes a letter daily. Rita writes a letter daily. Okay, so that also comes under the simple present tense because it shows the habit of the Nita, that she is writing a letter daily. So what is the sentence? The Rita writes a letter daily. Okay, so here writes WRITES because the sentence is telling about the habit of that particular person. Okay. Now, sun rises from the east. Now, this is the general truth. This is the general truth or the facts. What we have seen in day-to-day life, that sun rises from the east. Okay. Now come to the next. Now next is verbs in simple past tense. Past tense means what? That is already happened. It is indicate the action had happened in the past. The action had already happened in the past. That is a simple past tense. Now let me see some example about the simple past tense, that shown an action that happened in the past and is over now. For example, he worked in Dubai last year. Now, if you want to give the example of the past tense, mostly your action word had completed. And if your action word is completed, you have to put there ed, like a worked, played, okay, pouch, found, not a find, found. So some kind of action words you have to use, which shows that the action it is already happened. Now, next sentence, that is the Jimmy played in the garden. Played. As you can see in this sentence, played word. P-L-E-D, played. It shows that it is the past tense. It shows that it is a past tense. Okay, Jimmy played in the garden. Now, Jimmy planted beautiful sapling in the park. Planted. Here the planted word is shows that this is a past tense. This is the past tense. If you are put here the plants, okay, so that means that is the present tense. That means it is the present tense. But now here it is a planted, which shows that this is the past tense. Now here, irregular words that do not add ed, they take different forms. Such kinds of words and action words are there where we are not added ed, but then too it shows and comes under the past, and that is the ran. Okay, ran, ran. Here we not added ed, but then too it shows that the action word is already happened. He ran last night. Okay. For example, he wrote a letter last night. Wrote. 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 So wrote is also shows that action has already happened. Okay. So this is the example of the simple past tense. Now, let me discuss about the verbs in simple future tense, which is indicates an action that will happen in the future. Now, simple future tense means what? The action or the events will be happen in the future. Okay. Now, now let us see such examples. That is, Jimmy will be playing in the garden. Playing in the garden. Playing will be. So will be, that is a helping verb. It shows that it is will be the action, the event will be conducted in a future. All right. The next is the Jimmy will eat pizza after playing. Will eat. This will eat words. It shows that this is already happened in, sorry, this will be happen in future. Okay. Mostly students, if you're talking about the future, we are using will or shall for the future tenses. For the making of future tense sentences, you always use will. Okay, here we have some more example also. I will watch television after I completed my homework. I will watch. That means this is my action which I will do in a future. Next, it is that shown in action that will happen sometime in the future. That I will be in a grade fifth next year. Okay, so as you students will say, I will be in grade sixth in next year. Okay, so such kind of action you will think in your mind that I will do in a future. All right, so at that time also you have to use I will be. So students, this is all about the simple future tense, simple present tense, simple past tense, which is very easy to find out, which is very easy to learn, and which is very easy to identify also. Here I have some